Kasngi ka Khasi Student Union kelapan up dagi banar gablatho badai ban aino ya ke inalan permit ya ke migalaya hasil ente Lynti ya tri ketenat kampoyeng ke riu Amit Shah. Amit Shah awan Shah Shillong mentaka sengi ban penia ya ke jinglang ke North Eastern Council kebalong mentaka sengi ha State Convention Center Shillong hak ba ki medrang ba na kelang gijela ke North East kilawan mansim benta. Ki bana ke SU kilapan pauru ban sangai madol ban temuti uranium hakajela. Kajing pen up dagi bana lalong nado umyam tete ke tanji bohoi syadu Shillong katba Amit Shah udang ya Lynti syakate kejing yalang. Di
Chỉ要你们跑完出来三。
No, there is no permission. No permission here. Yes, tell me. Give me permission. Did you take permission for the protest? Why the protest? Yeah, that's what. Did you take? No. That's what I'm telling you. Please don't obstruct. We are doing duty here. No, this is not the way. Please remove. No, we'll do it. Yeah. Please remove. Yeah. Get it removed. Please. Take it. No. Now you do it. If you don't know, then we have to. Yeah, please. See, I cannot wait so long. Please.
We'll remove, sir.
Remove. Now.
We just want to express our view. That's all, sir. It's not that we will create a problem. It's just a peaceful protest.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, हाँ इस तरफ में आ जाओ तो ये थोड़ा फोर्स लेके आ जाओ यहाँ पे ये प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी वो आपका प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है Udah. Warna merah, bosan.
Oh iya. Oh iya. Give us the best reason what we want to express the idea of Abiyan coming in.
Đi. Ê, chỉ要là mình phá one chút lẹ Sam.